Not messing me up at all, Don. There it is. The infamous black mailbox. You know, there's a lot of history behind this black mailbox. And, you know, we should do a live and open up the black mailbox and see what's inside. I don't see my sticker though, Don. It looks like the stickers, I don't know. I think there was one on the inside and one on the outside, but looks like somebody comes along every now and then. And oh, somebody dropped off some electronics for eat. There's a hot dog. There is a hot dog in there.
There's a chip. There's a bag of chips, isn't
There's there's a hot dog in the bag of chips.
Broken beer bottle.
Come back for the live. We are doing a live 3 o'clock. I'm gonna post it. You'll see it scheduled. We're gonna try to talk Don into eating the hot dog. Join us. We will see you here at the black mailbox.
My name's not Mikey.
It's not Mikey. You're not gonna eat the hot dog. Oh, come on.
No.
All right. Well, we got to get back and post this.
Well, maybe. Y'all have to tune in and find out.
Oh, you heard it. You heard it here. You heard it here. All right, guys. Come back for the live. We're scheduling at 3 o'clock today. We've got to get back to the coach and back to our Starlink. Thanks to Don. Don has Starlink.
That's why we're going to do a live out
Are
here.
you going to put stickers on it now? Yeah, no.
Would be nice to. No, I guess I'll put it on during.
Yeah, wait till the live. Wait till the live. We'll both put stickers on,
Okay.
and
We'll have to bring a trash bag to pick up trash.
and you know, I think it is against the law to deface a U.S. mailbox.
Yeah, it is.
We break the law so you don't have to.
That's right. Along with 1,000 others.
Come join us, guys. 3 o'clock. Look for it. We're going to go ahead and post it and get that scheduled. We'll see you then. Take care, all.